Good morning, children. Today we are going to study.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, are you ready with your rough?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to study about letter writing. Kindly mute yourself because there is no work of yours to speak. Okay? Mute yourself and listen me carefully. So today we are going to study letter writing. As you know that there are two types of letter. First one, that is
Yes, ma'am.
class silent. I said silent, everyone. Nobody will speak. Okay. First one, that is informal writing and the formal writing. Informal letters are sent to the relatives, friends, or knowing person to know about their well-being, to tell something about your success, about your failures to your friends. It means to share your feeling. You generally send the letter to informal letters. Yes, I know that now we are not. Now it is not in the fashion to send informal letters, but in earlier times it was very much in the fashion to send the letters to the pen pals, to the friends, to the relatives, but now it is not there. But formal letters are sent even today. So formal letters, what are formal letters? Formal letters are sent to those whom we don't know, like boss. It means they are having some authoritative or some simple relations that is not formal. When we have some formal relationship with some person or some institution, we send formal letters to them, like to the boss, like some company, like to the government or some any kind of institution to whom we send formal letters. So formal letters are sent and they are in the fashion right now even today, because they are necessary to send them to tell their to ask some inquiries, to make some complaints, and to write some request. So 2 or 3 reasons can be to send formal letters. Okay. So first I have told you that formal letters are sent in 3 cases. The cases are, first case is if you have some kind of request. If you have some kind of request. And 2, if you have some kind of inquiry. Okay. And if you have some kind of complaints. So mainly we have divided the formal letter in 3 cases, and these 3 cases you have to learn how to write a formal letter in the case of request, in the case of inquiry, and in the case of complaints. Okay. So we are going to study this. As you know that when we write an application to the principal, it is called, it is request, inquiry or complaints. It is request. Okay. So let's talk about the figure, about the structure of a letter. What is the structure of a letter? The structure of the letter is divided into 5 points. The first point, the first part of the letter is heading. Class, never write any letter without heading. What you write? The heading is, it means the address. The address, in the formal letters you write address this side. You know that right now we are not using the formal letters starting with 2. 2 is now not in the fashion. So when it is not fashion in the modern grammar today is not acceptable. So you don't have to use to. Okay. Next, heading is not there. Sorry, first the heading will be there where the address will be written and whatever your address is also written there. Next, the salutation will come. Salutation, you know. Salutation, it means dear, respectable, whatever do you feel about that person. Okay. Next, the body of the letter, that is very important and mandatory for the letter. Next, the subscription. Subscription means that is concluding part of the letter and written at the bottom, the left hand corner. It is polite leave taking before the letter ends. It must correspond to the salutation at the beginning, like your sincerely, your lovely friend. It means in the formal letters when you write a subscription, you generally write yours sincerely. Class, never write your. This mistake generally you make. You think that it should be yours. No. It never should be yours. आप पूछो कि यहाँ पर yours क्यों होता है, your क्यों नहीं होता, मैं तुम लोगों को बता दूँ। your जो होता है, मैंने अभी आप लोगों को बताया है कि your एक adjective होता है। कैसा adjective होता है? possessive adjective होता है। और जब कोई possessive adjective आता है तो उसके साथ कोई ना कोई noun आना चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ तो sincerely लिखा रहता है ना, और sincerely तो कोई noun है नहीं। इसका मतलब यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए? अब जब सिंसियरली है तो नाउन, एडजेक्टिव अकेले तो खड़ा रह नहीं सकता, उसको किसी न किसी नाउन की जरूरत पड़ती है, इसलिए यहाँ पर क्या होता है? प्रोनाउन लगाया जाता है। तो यहाँ पे योर्स लिखा जाता है। कभी भी ये गलती मत करना, एक नंबर सैल्यूटेशन का होता है और एक नंबर आपके सब्सक्रिप्शन का। पूरी बॉडी का 4 नंबर होता है, हेडिंग का 1 नंबर होता है। तो कुल मिला के कितने नंबर का हुआ? 4, 5, 6, 7। 7 नंबर का आता है आपका क्लास 10th में क्या? लेटर। क्लास 10th में आपका लेटर 7 नंबर का आता है। अब 7 नंबर के क्वेश्चन में ये सारी चीज़ें इस तरीके से डिवाइडेड होती हैं, उसके नंबर डिवाइडेड होते हैं, इसलिए आपको किसी में भी कोई भी गलती नहीं करनी है। देयर शुड बी नो मिस्टेक ड्यूरिंग राइटिंग। ओके क्लास, नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन। The last part of that is signature, receiver's designation, okay, and address. This is important, you know that yours sincerely के बाद signature आप लोग कर लेंगे, अपना नाम वाम लिख देंगे, that is complete letter. Okay, now we are going to solve one example of formal letter. The first example is write an application to the principal of your school for issue of a duplicate identity card since you have lost your original one. Let me show you what is the salutation and what is the heading. The first heading is the principal Army Public School Old Camp प्रयागराज। कभी भी ये गलती मत करना कि एड्रेस लिखना भूल जाना, ऐसा गलती मत करना। ये नहीं लिखोगे नंबर कट जाएगा। नेक्स्ट, डेट आपको लिखनी है। डेट क्या है आपकी? आज की डेट क्या है? व्हाट इज द डेट टुडे? द डेट इज यस 8। अब डेट लिखने के भी 2 तरीके हैं, एक आपका अमेरिकन तरीका है, एक आपका ब्रिटिश तरीका है, ठीक है? तो आप लोग दोनों तरीके से लिख सकते हो, जैसा आपका मन करे। मैं ज़्यादातर ये वाला तरीका वो करती हूँ, प्रेफर करती हूँ, ठीक है? 8 दिसंबर 2020 मैंने लिख दिया। ठीक, इसके बाद डेट के जस्ट बाद क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? सब्जेक्ट लिखेंगे। सब्जेक्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सब्जेक्ट आपको पता करना पड़ेगा, आप किस लिए लेटर लिख रहे हो, अपना उद्देश्य। तो लिखोगे क्या? रिक्वेस्ट for a duplicate. Class silent. I said mute yourself. Duplicate identity card. क्लास आस्क मी लेटर जो भी पूछना है बाद में पूछना, अभी मुझे पढ़ा लेने दो. ओके, let me talk, let me teach, and after that you can ask me the question. Okay, kindly let me complete it. So after writing the subject we write dear, as I have told you the salutation dear sir. Dear sir आप लिख सकते हो, लेकिन I recommend you to write always respected sir. Okay, you should always write respected sir. Dear sir it looks awkward. Okay, next, always whenever you are starting some formal letter, if you are starting some formal letter, you should always keep in your mind that some special points always should be written at the first line of the body. It means when you are writing some application, you should always write with due respect. मतलब सम्माननीय तरीके से मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. So with due respect, I am just copying whatever written in your book. Okay, with due respect, I would like to inform you that I lost my identity card when I was lying in the school ground during the recess. अब ये जो हो गया ना आपका, ये वाला लाइन यहाँ पर हो गया. अब यहाँ पर आपको एक कंक्लूडिंग लाइन लिखनी होगी. कंक्लूडिंग लाइन आपकी कुछ ऐसी होनी चाहिए जिसमें आपका पूरा डेडिकेशन नजर आ रहा हो. ठीक है, तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? therefore I would request अच्छा बेटा, you just leave and rejoin. That's why you are not able to see. I think your बेटा kindly leave and rejoin. आप एक बार कट करो, उसके बाद वापस जोड़ो. ठीक है, देखो अब दिख रहा है, अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा होगा, या आपके नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम बेटा. काइंडली लीव एंड रीजॉइन. ओके, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू काइंडली grant permission for issue of a duplicate identity card for me. Now at the left side, पहले क्या होता था बच्चों, हम लोग जब पहले छोटे थे, जब हम मेरे टाइम की बात बता रही हूँ, तो हम लोग ये जो कंक्लूडिंग लाइन होती थी वो हमेशा राइट साइड पे लिखते थे. लेकिन आपको किस साइड लिखनी है? लेफ्ट साइड में लिखनी है. तो आप क्या लिखोगे? योर्स ओबीडिएंटली. आप कहोगे कि मैम आपने तो कहा था योर्स सिंसियरली लिखा जाता है. अब मैं आप लोगों को बता दे रही हूँ कि जो आप लोग तो स्कूल में पढ़ते हो ना, छोटे बच्चे हो ना, तो आप लोग ओबीडिएंटली लिखोगे. खासकर किसके लिए? क्लास टीचर के लिए, टीचर के लिए, प्रिंसिपल के लिए. लेकिन अगर हम लोग प्रिंसिपल को लिखेंगे, इट मींस इफ वी द टीचर्स आर राइटिंग द एप्लीकेशन टू द प्रिंसिपल, वी ऑलवेज राइट व्हाट? sincerely. They will not write obediently because it is always used for the students. Okay. Yours obediently, whatever name of your, and then your class. Okay. So by this way you can complete your application. Class understood? The principal, Army Public School, old cant, then date, then subject, then salutation, then the body, and then the concluding line with your name and address. So by this way you can complete your application. Okay. Now let me give you one more example. So that is given in your book. Yes, ask beta. Who is asking? Kindly raise your hand. Who is asking? Better tell me who is asking. Kindly raise your hand. No one? Okay. So let me solve one example for you so that you would be able to understand and you would be able to complete in your copy. Okay, this should be done in your fair copy, which I am going to write. Kindly write it in your fair copy. Okay, I am going to write one question number 8. I am going to write. Okay, write a letter to the librarian requesting him to issue a duplicate library card. Class, can you do it in your homework? Can you do it in your homework? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So it is your homework for today. You have to do it in your fair copy. And after doing it, kindly send me tomorrow. Tomorrow, for every student, I will see the homework. And you always send your homework in your own class groups at the morning. It means in 6A, 6B, 6C, because tomorrow there is no class. So, sorry, 7th A, 7B, 7C. So you have to send your homework in your class group, your own class group, because tomorrow there is no class. I would like to see all the homework of every student, so that I can see that whatever mistake you have done can be corrected. Okay. The 8th one is your homework, and one more homework I would like to give you. 10th one. 10th one is also in your homework. 10th one and 8th one. Okay, I am going to write the 9th one. Okay. I am going to write to the 9th one, but 8th one and 10th one you will do yourself. I think you are able to complete it. Are you, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So I am going to
write it also in the notebook.
Yes, beta, ask whatever you had said.
Ma'am, the letter which you are doing, we have to write that also.
Yes. You have to copy it in your fair copy. Okay. So first I would like to write here the application. Without application, don't write the application. Okay. Next, I am going to write about the transfer certificate, since you would be taking admission in a new school. Okay. So you have to tell the reason also to the principal that why you are leaving the school. So just starting with
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the place of request, we can also write seeking.
Yes, it can be. आज देखो मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिख रही हूँ कि माय फादर गॉट अ ट्रांसफर इन हिज ऑक्यूपेशन, मतलब कि मेरे पिताजी जहाँ काम करते हैं उन्हें ट्रांसफर मिल गया। अब आप लोग के पिताजी आर्मी में काम करते हैं तो आप क्या लिखोगे? माय फादर गॉट द पोस्टिंग। ठीक है, आप क्या लिखोगे? आप लोग के पापा के हिसाब से लिख दूँ? क्लास आप लोग के पापा के हिसाब से लिख दूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है।
I Bye.
Class! Who is opening his mouth? Let me see. Kindly mute yourself, I said. Nobody is going to speak up. Another name, you can write whatever you would like to. Okay? Then okay. So this has been completed. By this way you can write the whole application. How I have started? First I have written application, then principal, Army Public School, Old Camp, Prayagraj, then date, then subject, request for transfer certificate. Then dear sir, respected sir, with due respect I would like to inform you that my father got posting to other state in next month. We have to leave the residence and I need the transfer certificate to take admission in the next school as soon as possible, so that my studies won't get disturbed in the mid session. Therefore, I would request you to kindly grant my transfer certificate. I will be obliged to get your kindness. Thank you. Your obediently, Ashia Sukla, class 7th A. Class, did you understand? Class, let me tell you one thing more. That question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10. These are most important questions because one of these will come in your exam. Again I am telling you, one of these can come in your exam. These three you have to prepare and one of these will come in your exam. Yes?
Which number?
Question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10. You have to prepare these three questions and any one question. Question number 8 can come, question number 9 may come, question number 10 may come. I cannot tell you. But within these three questions you have to solve in your examination. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you have any query about the application, whatever I have written? Class, one more thing I have done the mistake. It should be canned. I have written the wrong spelling. Class silent. Don't speak. in the next month. यहाँ पे आप लोगों ने जो लगा दिया है इसको इरेज कर लेने का। Now everything is perfect. Class, do you have any query about it? Nothing. Okay, class, thank you.